Hi, we are Compylo and this video is regarding the interview questions of Azure Analysis Services. How to create roles in Azure Analysis Services. So to create roles in Azure Analysis Services, we have to navigate to Tabular Model Explorer. And just to remind you, we are using Visual Studio for all these activities. So as you can see on the screen, we have right clicked on roles. So as we right click on roles, it opens role manager where we can create new, we can copy or delete the roles as you can see on the screen. Here we have a few other options in the lower part of the screen like row filters, members, tables and columns where we can use specify table along with the DAX filter. So as we can see here, we have read and process and administrator permissions available. Now, as highlighted, we have an option of members where we can add external or we can find the users. So as soon as we click on find users, so we can type the name or email address and we can add the users over here. So that is how we can create roles in Azure Analysis Services. Thank you.